simulating vehicle signals, the signal generator can be selected in the FSA menu. The following signal forms can be selected: rectangle wave, sine wave, direct current voltage, triangle wave. Below the orange information bar, the following values can be adjusted using the keyboard: voltage maximum, voltage minimum, frequency, and on-off ratio. The output signal on channel 2 can be started. This permits the simulation of signals from numerous sensors installed in modern vehicles. Our example shows the triggering signal of an ignition coil. Information on the various signals from components can be found in the EasyTronic software. The single spark ignition coil is connected according to the circuit diagram from the EasyTronic. The necessary settings are made in the signal generator, and a square wave signal is output via channel 2. The function of the removed ignition coil can therefore be checked by simulating the triggering signal.